I'm Dr. Linda Gromko, and this is Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Today we're looking at a question of the week, and that question is, am I too old to transition at 70? A 70-year-old viewer asks, am I too old to start my transition at age 70? Well, the short answer is no. Well, there's no right or wrong answer to this question. There is a best answer for any given individual. So let's explore this in 3 simple points. Point number 1, gender transitions are possible at any age. Gender expression, that is to say clothing, voice, etc., can be addressed at any age. Hormones can be started at any age also, but this requires a discussion with the patient's provider or doctor. Surgeries can occur at any age, but it depends on the surgical goals and the complexity of the procedure. It depends on an individual's surgical candidacy, that is to say, their ability to withstand a surgery. I have had patients who have gone through major surgeries in their 70s and even in their 80s, but it's much easier to have surgical procedures when you're younger. Point number 2, as in any gender transition decision, the most important thing is what an individual wants and needs. Such decisions are never made in a vacuum. Many factors are considered, like gender goals. What specifically does a person need to have happen? Family, relationships, work considerations, and certainly one's emotional support network are all critical. Financial factors and overall health are critical as well. Point number 3, what is the personal cost of not transitioning? A 70-year-old person may realistically live another 20 to 30 more years. That's plenty of time to live your best life or to live authentically. But it's also a long time to wonder, what if? It's a long time for regret. So my best advice is be as specific as possible with your gender goals. Talk to people you trust as you consider next steps. Make your decisions with your mind and with your heart. I hope this information was helpful for you today. If so, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and spread the word to others who might benefit. Also, if you have a question you'd like to have discussed as a question of the week, please submit it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.